Hi friends, it's Lauren from the Thinking Closet with a 2-minute Bible journaling tutorial for you today. Let's dive in, shall we? So we are in Luke chapters 4 and 5 today, and I'm using an iceberg as my inspiration image, drawing it out first in pencil before going back over it with my Pitt Artist pen and a ruler to make those lines just extra even and geometric. And then after that, I'm diving into my Home Sweet Home handmade watercolor set. You'll notice I protected the page there with a mat. You could also use cardstock and a few other beginner watercolor tips. I would recommend using very little water. You see, I actually am using a ton of water on this entry to blend, which is okay. I just had to be really careful not to overwork it too much. Keep some paper towels on hand. And then if you want to kind of speed up the drying process in order to layer other colors over top, you can use a heat tool, which I'm using here. That'll speed things up and just embrace the wrinkles. The page will kind of get crinkly, wrinkly textured. I actually love the feel of a wrinkled Bible page, so that's my encouragement to you. And then next, I referred back to my sermon notes before taking some time to just journal in the margin, a prayer of surrender, and then I decided to add a title, borrowing from the sermon title I had listened to on this text, Look Beneath the Surface. And then I always tab and date my entries so I can remember when I did it. And there you have it. I hope that this video is inspiring you to meet with God in His Word, to bust out those craft supplies in the margins of your journaling Bible. And just know that even if it looks like a hot mess expressed to you, it is going to be a masterpiece to God because you're His beloved child. I'll have all the supplies from this video linked below and follow along for more Bible journaling inspiration to come. Bye.